what kind of life do you strive for?
Of course, happy life.
Are you enjoying the life you have now?
Of course, yes.
Is it boring or exciting?
It is exciting.
Very exciting.
Boring at exciting.
Do you make proper use of your time?
I will think properly all my time.
No single minute lost.
Do you regret anything?
No regret.
I am not regret.
Wala naman.
People should value and appreciate their time because nothing lasts forever. Life is too short. Everyone does not know when they will leave this world. Nothing is promised in life. It's a one-time offer. Don't waste it doing nothing. Don't count the day. Make the day count because it is an experience we make sure, not with years. Don't forget that quite often humans have to pay a very heavy price for delaying things. The student, for example, who goes on postponing studies never gets time to prepare for examination and does very badly at the end. He remains under great mental strain and confusion during answering an exam. As stated by Bishop Jeremiah the Hermit, every day must be redeemed with good deeds for our benefit and for the benefit of our neighbor. The Lord did not set aside 1 minute of our lives for idleness, harmful deeds, or simply to do nothing at all. People think that they have all the time in the world. They just don't realize how short life is. Among the statistics mentioned are ridiculous data that don't make you realize how much time you waste in your life. 15. Sleeping, 25 years. 14. Picking out clothes of women, 1 year. 13. Driving, 4.3 years. Eating, 3.6 years. Watching TV, 9 years. Watching commercials, 2 years. Getting busy, 48 days. Working, 10.3 years. Cleaning, 1.1 years. Shopping, 8 years. Cooking, 2.5 years. Waiting in line, 6 months. On the toilet, 92 days. Kissing, 14 days. Staring at women, 1 year. As time passes, too often people don't realize what they have until it's gone. Don't be afraid to show and express what you feel. Go for every opportunity. Whether it ends good or bad, it was an experience. Everyone should make their goal to be filthy rich. Rich in adventure, in love, friends, in laughter, in knowledge, in family, and in happiness. 10 years from now, make sure you can say that you choose your life and you didn't just settle for it. So, presumably, it is important to cherish and value your time. Unless you guys are wasting your time to the wrong person or wrong situation. Learn to your mistakes. Remember, every bad day only lasts for 24 hours.